Thanks again for checking it as we take a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. We have another enhanced risk of severe weather today over the essential part of the country, and then some flooding rains maybe taking us into the next couple of days with these thunderstorms continuing to run over some of the same areas. And then cooler temperatures will be found in the wake of this storm system and also through the end of the month over the northwest. But for today, temperatures here from the Rockies to the Front Range through the central part of the country and into the Great Lakes about 5 to near 15 degrees below average. We're still warmer than average in the mid-Atlantic states that are ahead of this storm system, but the forecast does show this cooler air settling into the Great Lakes region by this upcoming weekend and also into the southern U.S. By the weekend. And that, of course, is with this particular storm system, which is going to be kicking out some severe weather concerns. Now, we're going to fast forward to the middle part of next week. You can see that from the Great Lakes to the northwest, we're quite a bit below average as that cooler air kind of takes us into the end of the month in early May, but we'll be warmer than average over the eastern third of the nation. So there's your enhanced threat right along the Oklahoma and Texas border today. Large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes. The threat shifts a little bit farther southeast on Saturday, and then on Sunday it's a marginal threat, which does include parts of Georgia and South Carolina. So again, the thunder threat is going to be diminishing, or at least the severe weather concern. But there's a quarter of heavier, steadier rainfall. Some of that could be in the form of snow in the Intermountain West. But this is going to make for kind of an ugly, unsettled, cool, and soggy weekend as the storm system slowly churns throughout the central part of the country. And as we head back to the west, more moisture in the northwest there. So over a 5-day period, looking at 2 to 3 inch, maybe I said 4-inch tallies. That rain could see some flooding in some spots there as well. Snow will be confined mainly to the high elevations out west and also along the international border over that 5-day period. But as you notice today in Los Angeles, we're up to 90 degrees. Another hot day tomorrow, and we'll be cooler in New York at 61.